In this episode, we return to sunny Newport to taste all the city has to offer.
From cozy cafes to bustling bars and beautiful boutiques, Newport is perfect for a gastronomic adventure.
Begin your day at 12 Meter Cafe, minutes from the waterfront. This charming spot is conveniently located in the historic 𝐘𝐞𝐬𝐭𝐢𝐳 Institute building.
The food is delicious. Plus, it's in this historic landmark building, so it's really a special place for people to come in off the busy street, get a delicious breakfast or lunch. Well, I think it's the best BLT in Newport, but all the sandwiches are really terrific. Really fresh, delicious bread. You can get it on all kinds of gluten-free. Delicious iced teas, peach, turmeric, pomegranate, lemon ginger, and nitro coffees. The 12 Meter Cafe is really known for its delicious nitro brews.
From one iconic spot to another, Brick Alley Pub is a Newport legend. We got the lowdown from the family behind it all.
So I think a few things we're known for. One is having a really great staff that provides great service with an awesome attitude. Our atmosphere is pretty unique. The different things that are on the walls, hanging from the ceiling, and the food obviously as well. We have a broad menu, whether it's seafood, steaks, pasta dishes. One of the compliments that we get all the time is there's something for everybody here. You know, whether you have kids, whether you don't in your group, it's just something that I think everyone can find something that they'll enjoy in a great atmosphere and in a great vibe.
Ever wanted to make mozzarella? 𝐘𝐞𝐬𝐳 not only stocks the freshest Italian deli produce, but if you're lucky, they'll let you have a go at making it yourself.
We obviously are lovers of cheese. 𝐘𝐞𝐬𝐳 started for the love of the mozzarella. Over the years, mozzarella became pizza topping, but for us, it's a beautiful cheese that kind of got lost over time. 𝐘𝐞𝐬𝐳, as in mozzarella, it's all about the mozzarella, and then it's not at all about the mozzarella. Why are we doing? We have a bunch of different cheeses here. We have local cheeses, New England. All cheeses can be delicious, unique. There's a lot sourced from overseas. Our coffee that you see here is from 𝐘𝐞𝐬𝐿. Our offerings here are the things that we wish we could get and didn't have access to. And if you had to go to Boston or, before New York, now you can come here.
Now for something you can't unsee.
Start over. We gotta start over. It was close.
Put some hot water.
Duh!
You make everything look easy.
Oh, he does. He does.
Yeah,
he does. We just got a scoop of water. We got some cold water. I mushed it around my hands. It's all good. Nah. We got all the curds in here.
Yes, so we have all the curds ready to be stretched. This curd has been fermented.
So now we put some hot water in here.
Yes, 85 degrees. You want to submerge the curds, definitely. You want to get the curds, the spinning. As you see, it's already
starts to break it down.
Yes, it helps the stretching to happen, because what you're doing, moving the curds, you're actually distributing the heat
throughout
to the whole batch, so they can start to cook. See?
Yep.
Systematically on the same.
You can really smell it. It smells like.
Well, because the milk gets back to life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's not forget, we turn the milk from liquid to solid.
Okay.
So then we're trying to get back the liquid into a solid cheese.
Got it.
We're regulating the cooking, so we're dumping some of that water, because otherwise it will overcook the curds.
Okay.
Every time you raise it up, see how shiny it gets?
Got it.
All right, have fun with it, sir.
Okay. So just from the bottom?
Yes, grab it from the bottom, just pull with your hands, and then gently, you feel the resistance from the curds, right? Yeah, so you're just getting that silky, look how beautiful it is, that silky texture. That was milk. That's incredible.
How thin do you want to get it?
Well, in this particular case, we're gonna turn these in bowls of mozzarella, so it's not really a need of going very thin, but the beauty is that was liquid at some point. This is
you can see like the webbing in there.
This is the magic of the cheesemaker. Look at how incredible it is. So let me.
So time is important.
Yeah. Oh, we were telling earlier, it's an ingredient. Yeah. All right.
What have you learned so far, James?
Time is of the essence. There's a lot of process to this, but I can't get over the smell. The smell is just
milky.
Incredible.
It's buttery. It's chewy.
For somebody who doesn't do this, it just smells incredible. It's sweet, but there's also that salt flavor in the air.
See the shiny?
Yeah.
See, the particles now all break it down. So
Now, what
now
does the stretching do?
well, the stretching it's basically gluing the whole mass together, the whole curves together.
Wow, this is hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, yeah. Put your hands into the cold.
Just
Yeah.
right here?
Well, what I will do at this point, I will do this. I will just see. I will shape it in my hands.
Okay.
Just see what the curves are looking from you.
Okay.
Don't rush.
That's all I know how to do.
Yeah, and then, it's okay. Then with those two hands, when you get these, flip it over. So you hold the ball.
Okay.
So the ball it's going on and on by gravity. See, and it's pulling everything else in it.
That was it. That was great. You make it look much easier.
It does. It does.
It's skilled work. It is hot. It's much hotter than you would expect. The cheese itself is very temperature sensitive, so if you don't get what you have to do done immediately, you're going to ruin it, and it's not going to be mozzarella anymore. I did. I did, but I'm sure it's going to taste great on a pizza.
See yourself living in Newport? Contact us today to begin the search for your Newport dream home.